you're going to need your whiteboard and your marker, my love. Take out your whiteboard and your marker. Your marker gets parked on your name tag. Kylan's got it. Good job, sweetheart. Just park your sock and your marker on your name tag. Good, Mason. Don't twirl it, sweetheart. Good, Adelia. Zaya, where's your sock? Yep, you need it, sweetheart, because that's what you use to erase. Put it under your marker. Put your marker on top of your sock. Awesome. My loves, let me switch you closer. Hi, Jaden. Good to see you. Okay. What I need you guys to do, we're going to practice our doubles plus one math facts. That's our learning target for today. Adelia and Jordan. What I need you to do, we'll grab it. What I need you to do is write these two math facts on your whiteboard. You need 4 plus 4 and 4 plus 5. Please write those two math facts on your whiteboard. Boys and girls at home, you need your whiteboards. You're writing these two math facts on your whiteboard. If you don't have your whiteboard, you can use always a piece of paper. We're practicing our doubles plus one math facts that we learned yesterday. Honey, you're pushing way too hard and that's way too big, sweetheart. If I hear it squeaking, that means you're going to ruin your marker. It shouldn't squeak. Okay, keep trying, sweetheart. You got to make sure you get your cap on tight. Otherwise, it dries out, sweetheart. Nope, when you close it, when you're done, make sure you get it on tight. If you need a new marker, just let me know. I have extra. Prince, honey, thank you so much. I see you way back there. You have your hands folded and your markers parked. I'll get you a new one. You can go throw that one away. So important to cap your markers all the way so that they don't dry out. Sorry, boys and girls at home. I have to grab another marker here for a student. I love that when you guys are done, you just have them parked. Your markers are parked. Here, honey. All right. My loves, I need one of you, now I have extra, to help me with my doubles. 4 plus 4. What do you need?
I'm Mrs. March.
4 plus 4 equals, you can always look over here at our doubles wrap. 8. 5K, please take your marker underneath. I need you to write 8. When you're done, please park your marker. Now, yesterday I told you that I was going to teach you a little trick when it comes to learning our doubles plus one facts. Let me show you something. Let me grab my number line so the kids at home can see too. My sweets, for doubles plus one facts, you will know I need markers parked. You will know if it's a doubles plus one fact because look up here. 4 plus 5, look it. I pretend that these little dots are houses. So if their houses are right next to each other, we would call them neighbors. Just like the people who live next to you are your neighbors. So if the numbers are neighbor numbers, then you know it's a doubles plus one. Say neighbor numbers.
Neighbor numbers.
Say doubles plus one.
Doubles plus 1.
All right, my sweets. When we need to figure out a doubles plus one, we look, are these two numbered neighbor numbers? Are they? Yes, 4 and 5 neighbors.
Mrs. March, you can't see what I'm doing. That's right. That's
Who's smaller, 4 or 5? You need to put that on the right way. Who's smaller? Jordan.
Mrs. March, I try.
My loves, I need you to circle number 4. Please.
Just listen, I got this show.
Number 4. Here's the trick I'm teaching you. Prince, I love it. You have it circled.
You're not doing that yet. Just listen.
Boys and girls at home, please get out your doubles facts. You have that little paper I sent home a long time ago for you to keep. Please get this out. This is going to be helpful to you. Okay, let me scooch this back so you guys can see a little bit. There we go. My loves, you circled the smaller number, so we're going to double the number that you circled. So look over here at my doubles wrap. Say 4 plus 4 with me. Ready, set, go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then we say this, and one more makes, we just have to add one more. 8, and you have one more makes what, Prince? No, not 12. 8, and you have one more. To the next number is 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. You don't even have to hop on your name tag. You can start at 5 and hop 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you circle the smaller number and double it, 4 plus 4 equals 8. And one more makes 9. Say, I see. Good job. My loves, let's practice this again. I want you to erase everything in 5. Everything in 4. Let's practice it again. Erase everything in 3, 2, 1. Awesome, my loves. I want you to write these 2 math facts on your whiteboards. I'm trying to figure this out for you boys and girls at home. There we go. I want you to write, oh, but now you can't see my number line. Ugh, this is a struggle. Okay. I need you guys to write, let's do 6 plus 6 and 6 plus 7. Please write those 2 math facts on your whiteboard. Go. All right. Kylan, good job. Oh, you didn't have to erase that, sweetheart. You were doing great. Oh, you're right. You didn't really have room at the bottom. Your work is very neat on your whiteboard, sweetheart. My loves, I need your help with 6 plus 6. What's my answer going to be for 6 plus 6 equals what, Jair? Yeah, if we look at our doubles wrap, say it with me. Ready, set, go. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. My loves, please write 12. Please write 12. I see lots of children on right now. Bridget, Karina, Chelsea, Jaden, and Mitchell. Hi, my loves. Jaden, I marked your present for school today, sweetie. Now, I need you to look. Our 6 and 7 neighbor numbers. We need to see if we can do my little trick for solving that doubles plus 1. Are 6 and 7 neighbors on my number line, Mason? Yes, their houses are right next to each other. Are 6 and 9 neighbor numbers? No, their houses are not next to each other. How about 6 and 3? Are those neighbor numbers? No, they need to be right next. So 6 and 7, yes, they are neighbor numbers. So if they're neighbor numbers, I need to circle the one who's smaller. So who's smaller, 6 or 7? Who's smaller, Tamia? 6. My loves, you're going to circle number 6. Then you're going to find 6 on the doubles wrap, and you're going to say the doubles. Say it with me. Ready, set, go. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then you say, and one more makes, we have to add 1. Doubles plus 1. That's why I wrote a plus 1. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And one more makes what, Adelia? 12. And one more makes 13. My loves, please write 13. This is a little tricky, but you guys will get it. I'm going to write plus 1 over here. My loves, please erase in 10, 9, erase everything, 8, 7, 6, 5, I see, good work. Prince, I love it. Your hands are folded. 4, 3, Caleb, use your sock, not your hand, honey. 2, 1, Mason, Adelia, London, Zaya, you're doing great. Honey, don't laugh at him, please. My loves, we're going to practice a couple more, then we have a little worksheet to do. But I want you guys to know how to do this work, this little trick. My loves, I want you to do, let's try a tricky one. Let's do 8 plus 8 and 8 plus 9. Can you write those two math facts on your whiteboard for me? 8 plus 8 and 8 plus 9. So neat, sweetheart. Holy smokes. Adelia, you too. Very neat handwriting. Mason, Prince, great. Tamia, you did great today. You just need to make your second one 9. You did 8 plus 8 2 times. Yeah, there you go, sweetheart. Yep, there you go, babe. Look, Zaya. See how many numbers this 8 is right on top of that one? Much better. Just wait. Yep. My loves, what is 8 plus 8? We're looking up here at the doubles wrap. What is 8 plus 8? Kylan, 8 plus 8 equals 16. 5K, please write 16. My loves, now you need to look at these two numbers. I love that Tamia is right on her name tag. She's touching these two numbers on her name tag. Tamia, are 8 and 9 neighbors? Yeah. She goes, they are. 8 and 9 are neighbor numbers. So then we need to circle the one who is smaller. Who is smaller, 8 or 9? Caleb.
8.
Crazy 8. Circle crazy 8. He is smaller. Then I find 8 on the doubles wrap. And I double 8. Double 8 with me. Ready? Set, go. 8 plus 8 equals 16. And one more makes, look at your name tag. What is 16? And I hop one more. After 16 comes what, London? 17. You got it, babe. Please write 17, 5K. You guys are doing great. You guys are rocking it. Hope you at home are rocking it. The kids here are working hard. My sweets, erase everything. And 5, you're doing great. We're going to practice one more. Then we'll do our worksheets. Then we're done. 4, 3, 2, 1. Caleb, use your sock, please. Erase everything with your sock. And done. All right. Let me see. Which one haven't we done? Let's go to an easy one. My loves, let's do 2 plus 2 and 2 plus 3. Good job, Caleb. Wow, London. Wow, Prince and Mason. You wrote it. Pencils are parked. Or your markers, I should say, not pencils. Beautiful. All right, Jordan, write the other one, sweetheart. Tamia, great work. My loves, we don't even need to look over there at the... Go. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Awesome, my sweets. Please write 4. All right. I'm going to ask you. We've done this a few times. What's my trick? How do I know if these two numbers, if this is a doubles plus 1 fact, I need to look first if they are what? Nope. I need to look if they are... Adelia. Yeah, I got to check out if they are neighbors. Are 2 and 3 neighbors, Adelia? Adelia, are 2 and 3 neighbors, sweetie? Are their houses next to each other? Yes. So they are neighbors. So next I need to circle the one who is smaller. Who's smaller, Jordan? 2 or 3? All right, my love, circle 2. Then I find 2 on the go. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and one more make one more. I'm sorry, what is 4 and I get one more? 2 plus 2 equals 4, and one more makes Tamia. No, not 3. 4, and I have one more, Tamia, look. And one more makes 5. After you were 4 years old, then you turned 5. One more year old makes you 5. Honey, we will tell him what to do. You just keep following along. All right, my loves. These erased in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My loves, make sure your marker doesn't dry out. When you put your cap on, make sure you hear it snap. If it's hard to push, if you twist and push, it goes on easier. So make sure your cap gets on all the way. And please put your marker in your sock. Push it on, twist and push. You gotta push hard, twist and push, sweetie. Look. Let me see, London. Hold it up. Yours is good, sweetheart. Yours is on. My loves, please put your marker in your sock. Oh, Prince, Mason, and Adelia. Tamia, Jordan, you guys rock. You put them all away, and I didn't even have to tell you. I love you guys. And you guys at home. You are going to take out, boys and girls at home, your packets and open up to number 77. We're going to do this all together. Okay? My loves here at school, pencil boxes go. You are all doing really great. Write your name at the top and then stop. We don't have to do all of these. We're only doubles plus 1. You're welcome. You may have yours. So you need to help me figure out which one, the doubles plus 1, and which one is not. That's okay. That's a piece of cake. I taught you that trick. Please write your name at the top. Park your pencil. All right. Now, this would be a lot of work to do all of these, wouldn't it? Yeah. We don't want to do all of them. Just park it softly. We only want to do the ones that are doubles plus 1. So we need to look first and see if the numbers are neighbors. Say neighbor numbers. All right, my sweets, I'm going to have to move you closer so you can see. So you have to use your own name tag at home and your own doubles wrap. I can't have you this far away, otherwise you can't see. So make sure you have your name tag and your doubles wrap very close by, okay? Neighbors. Mason, our 5 and 6 neighbors. So it's a doubles plus 1. My loves, listen carefully to my words. You need to make a circle around it, but you have to leave enough space because we're going to write the answer there. You can't make your circle too small that you can't write an answer there. Circle 5 plus 6. Make a big enough circle so that you can still write an answer on that blank. Good, Caleb. Good, Zaya. Good listening. I see good circles. Honey, you're okay to use that for a little bit longer, sweetheart. Good, Tamia. We're not going to write the answer yet. Let's look at the next one. 2 plus 7 are 2 and 7 neighbor numbers, 5K. No, those houses are not next to each other. We're not going to circle it. We don't have to write that answer. Say piece of cake. Yeah, I love it. All right, look at the next one. 3 plus 4 are 3 and 4 neighbor numbers. Yeah, 3 and 4 are neighbors on our number line. Please circle 3 plus 4. Don't make it 2. One and 9 neighbor numbers. No, we don't need to circle that one. That one's those are so far away from each other. How about 8 plus 7? Are those neighbor numbers? Look at your name tag. Are 8 and 7 neighbors? Prince, what do you think? Are 8 and 7 neighbors? I agree. 8 and 7 are neighbors. My loves, you need to circle 8 plus 7. Not too small of a circle because you're going to have to write an answer. Circle 8 plus 7. Kylan, you got it figured out already. You already have the next one done. Hey, my loves, look at 2 plus 3. Are 2 and 3 neighbor numbers? Are 2 and 3 neighbor numbers, Mason? Yes. Let me check it out. Oh, yes, their houses are right next door to each other. Please circle 2 plus 3. I need your help. Look at the next one. 6 plus 0. Yikes. Are 6 and 0 neighbor numbers? No, we're not circling that one. They are. My loves, please circle 9. How about the next one, Jordan? 5 plus 4. Those neighbor numbers? Yeah, 5 and 4 are definitely right next door to each other. My loves, please circle 5. Three and 4 neighbor numbers? Yes, she says yes, they are. They're right next to each other. I'm going to scooch this up so the boys and girls at school can see. My loves, you need to circle 3 plus 4, but you need to make your circle long because you have to write your answer underneath. So make your circle long. You have to go down far enough so you can write your answer underneath. Good, Caleb. Good, London. Good, Kylan. Circle 3 plus 4. All right, 7 plus 8. I know this is so little for you guys. I'm so sorry. Thanks for working so hard at home. 7 plus 8. Are 7 and 8 neighbor numbers? London. Yes, she looked at her name tag. They definitely are. Please circle 7 plus 8. Make it go down big underneath so your answer fits. Sweetheart, you didn't leave enough room to write your answer. Listen carefully to all of my directions. You have to go down far enough because you got to put an answer there. So now circle the next one. Hey, Tamia, are 2 and 6 neighbors? No. So should we circle that? No, you got it. Hey, Kylan, are 1 and 7 neighbors? No. So should we circle it? No. Hey, Jair, are 2 and 5 neighbor numbers? No. Should we circle it? No. All right, bottom row. Look at this, a piece of cake. Hey, Mason, 9 and 7. Are 9 and 7 neighbors? Are 9 and 7 neighbors? No. 8's house is in the middle. They are not neighbors. We are not circling that one. Hey, Addie, how about 6 plus 5? Are 6 and 5 neighbor numbers? Yes, 6 and 5, their houses are right next door. Please circle 6 plus 5. Yep, that one, sweetheart, you're right. Hey, Caleb, are 4 and 8 neighbors? No. Are we going to circle it? No. Okay, almost done. 9 plus 8. Are 9 and 8 neighbors? London? Yeah, their houses are right next to each other. Circle 9 plus 8. One. Are 7 and 5 neighbors? My loves. All we have to do now is write the answers for the ones that we circled. Easy. All these ones we did not circle, we don't have to do. Five plus 6. Who's the smaller number, 5 or 6? Prince. 5. Everybody circle 5. Then we find 5 on the doubles wrap. Say it with me. Ready? Set, go. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And one more makes, what, Jair? 11. Good job. 5K, you're going to write 11 on the lines. All right, now we're going to go to the next one we circled. 3 plus 4. Who's smaller, 3 or 4? Tamia. Yep, a 3-year-old is definitely smaller than a 4-year-old. Circle 3. Caleb, you're doing a great job following along. You too, Zaya. Then I find 3 on the doubles wrap. Say it with me. Ready? You guys are rocking it. Set, go. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And one more makes what, Mason? 7. After 6 comes 7. Good job, Mason. Psst. You guys, when we add one more, you just go to the next number. You know, after 6, then you count to 7. You guys know that. Easy peasy. All right, 8 plus 7. That's the next one we circled. Who's smaller, 8 or 7? Kylan, who's smaller, 8 or 7? Voice, ready, set, go. 7 plus 7 equals, hold on, I don't. 4 makes 15. Good job, my loves. 15. That time I had you all saying it with me. 15, sweetheart. Out of you. 2 plus 3. Who's smaller? Prince. Yep, circle 2. We did this one on our whiteboards. Circle 2. I need this one. You're going to write 15. Look. All right, Prince, we circled 2. Then we find 2 on our doubles wrap. Everyone say it with me. Everybody's voice. Ready, set, go. 2 plus 2. One more makes. One more makes? 5, Tamia. You got it. Everybody write 5. Thank you, Mr. Porter. Yep. All right, almost done. 9 plus 8. Who's smaller, 9 or 8? Hi, sweetheart. I just want you to follow along with us, okay? You can just watch what we're doing. Who's smaller, 9 or 8? London, what do you think? Who's smaller, 9 or 8? 8 is. You got it. 5K, circle 8. I'll scooch this up so you guys here at school can see. Circle 8. Then we double 8. Just wait, sweetheart. Everybody say it with me. Everybody's voice. Ready, set, go. 8 plus 8 equals 16. And one more makes, raise your hand, after 16 comes what, Addie? 17. You got it, babe. 17. You guys are getting really good at this. Her nickname. We're almost done. 5 plus 4. Who is smaller, 5 or 4? Raise your hand. Who's smaller? Mason, who's smaller, 5 or 4? 4. Please circle 4. You can have that. Then I double 4. Everybody say it with me. Everybody's voice. Ready, set, go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And one more makes, raise your hand. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And one more makes what, Jordan? 8. And one more makes 9. You got it. Hey, guys. We only have 4 left. 2, 4. Almost done. Then we just have our regular math worksheet, and we're all done. Say piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
All right. 3 plus 4. Who's smaller? 3 or 4, Kylan? 3. Yep. Circle 3. And then I double 3. Everybody say it with me. Ready, set, go. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And one more makes, raise your hand, 6. And I hop one more to Prince. 6. And I hop one more to 7. Yep. You're going to write 7 underneath. This time it's under. Write it under, under. 3 left. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. Who is smaller, 7 or 8? London. What? 7 is. Yep, circle 7. You need to stop playing. You're losing a ticket. You didn't even do this one with us. You're too busy playing with your pencil. I double 7. My loves, I want to hear all your voices. Say it with me. Ready, set, go. 7 plus 13. You got it, babe. A 1 and a 5. Oops, sorry, guys. I must have lost you. 14 and one more makes 15. Sorry, my loves. Are you ready to help me? Is that what you're wanting? I love it, sweetheart. You're such a good kid. All right. Prince, you can help me. Who's smaller, 6 or 5? 5. Circle 5. You got it, babe. And then I find 5 on the doubles. Say it with me. Ready? Set, go. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And one more makes, what is 10? And one more makes what, Jordan? 11. Please write 11. You love this, don't you? You love helping me. I love it. Caleb, sweetheart, you got to write 11. All right, last one, 9 plus 8. Zaya, who's smaller, 9 or 8? 9 is not smaller. 8, circle 8. Then I double 8. Say it with me, my loves. Let me hear all your voices. Ready, set, go. 8 plus 8 equals 16. And one more makes, raise your hand, 16. And one more makes what, Mason? 17. You got it. Please write a 17. Wow, you guys rocked at that. Can you kiss your brain for me, please? You guys are so smart. I'm really proud of you. Kiss your brains at home too, please. You guys are so smart. This is great. Good work, my sweets. All right. Last thing we need to do is our math worksheet. Please open up to 77A. Boys and girls here, I'm going to bring this to you. Thank you, Mr. Porter, for picking those up for me. All right. Get mine up quick and I will bring yours to you. You guys are being so super quiet. This will be a piece of cake. Here, my sweet. You guys are rocking. Jair, that line is super straight, sweetheart. Adelia, your handwriting is super neat. Here, honey. Mason, very neat handwriting. Here's Zaya. And Kylan, very neat handwriting, sweetheart. You're so welcome, sweet girl. The top. 7. You guys can't. Please trace 70. Make sure your 0 goes top to bottom. And your 7 also goes top to bottom. I need someone to count. No, you need to sit in your chair. You need to erase these. Your 0 needs to top to bottom. I need someone to count by 2s for me. Oh, you guys all have your hands up. Hey, but everybody get pink. No, look it. It's just a black screen. There they are. Hi, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I'm still pinned. We waited for you. We did not work ahead. The kids were going, what's going on? Did your computer die? I said, no, just lost them. Okay, my sweets, we counted 8. We waited for you. We need to make tally marks. Look at the date. What is the date today? How many tally marks are we making? What number was today? What number did you write after February? Please don't blur. 18. Oh, baby. We can do it. 18 tally marks. Have your pencil ready. London always sits there and she's ready with her pencil right here. 18 tally marks with me. Ready? Count out loud. Set. Go. 1, 2. Good job. 3, 4. Tally up. 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9. Tally up. 10. Good job. 11, 12, 13, 14. Tally up. 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. You should have 3 full 5s and 3 extras. 5, 10, 15, switch. 16, 17, 18. Good work. He did a good job. All right, my loves, I need those of you who are here at school to look up here at my board. You need to tell me a number word that has 4 letters. Look up here. Tell me which one of those words only has 4 letters. Which word has 4? Which one has 4 letters? Honey, you got to follow along with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up. 5. Boys and girls, I'm sorry. 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, tally up. 15, 16, 17, 18. It's okay if you go out of the box, sweetheart. All right. You can't see? Hold on. Which word up there has 4 letters? Okay. Can one of you guys online tell me if you can see? Karina or Mitchell or Bridget, can you guys text me and tell me if you can see? Chelsea said she can't see. So is it my end or is it her end? Because it's showing me that it's working.
We can see.
One of you guys text me.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, you can see now. Okay, yay. All right, thank you guys. All right, trying to help everybody see. I know it was out for a long time, but we're back now. I waited for you guys. All right, tell me a number word that has 3 letters. I'm sorry, 4 letters. Thanks for being so patient, my loves, here at school. Jordan. 5. Count with me. Does 5 have 4 letters? Count with me, my sweets. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. She is right. Let's spell 5. Just wait. 5K, you need to write an F. Right, lowercase f. She is right. Lowercase f. On this little line, write an F. And then an I. I. Letter I says I. What letter says V? Kylan. What letter says V? A V, yep. And then at the back, we have this bossy letter telling I to say its name. Bossy what, Tamia? Bossy E. All right, I'm going to put 5 back up here. I need you guys to look up here and tell me a word that has 5 letters. So now I want you to find one that has 5 letters. Look up at my board. Which one of these has 5? Which one has 5? Mason. He says 3 has 5 letters. Let me show the kids online. I want you guys to count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Say, you got it, Mason. You got it. All right, my loves, you need to write T first. Please write T right under your F. What letter? Hot rod is letter. Not I, close. Letter what, Tamia? H, write an H. TH, and then what, Adelia? What letter comes next? Not yet. R. And then what goes last in the word three, Jair? Yep, E and an E, 2 E's. How many letters did we use first? Look right here. It tells you how many you used. How many did we use first? 4. We need to write the number 4. You got it, Nazir. Did we write more letters or did we cross them off? We wrote more. What sign means we wrote more, Prince? Not a minus. Plus. Plus means I got more. How many more letters did we write? Equals. Huh. What do you notice about 4 and 5? Look at your name tag. What do you notice about 4 and 5? Jordan. They're neighbor numbers. Oh, hey, we get to use our little trick. Who's smaller, 4 or 5? Tamia. Circle 4. You got it, babe. How cool. We get to use what we just learned. I bet you that was intentional. All right. 4 plus 5. I double 4. Double 4 with me. Look at the doubles wrap. Ready? Set. Go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And one more makes, raise your hand. After 8 comes 9. You got it, Nazir. 5K, right? 9. Right, 9. How many letters did we write all together? 5K. How many letters did we write all together? 9. Write it again. You guys are getting sleepy. See some eyes rubbing. My sweethearts, you need to take out 3 colors. Red, yellow, and blue. Go. Red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Mason, thanks for just taking them out so quietly, sweetheart. Red, yellow, and blue. Tamia, that was quick. You got them all out. Nazir, you too. Red, yellow, and blue. Oh, Jordan, I love it. You have them. Your pencils are parked. Your hands are folded. Thanks, sweet girl. My loves, it says we need to color the bottom of the right circle blue. Bottom of the right circle is blue. Honey, I'm taking a ticket. You know that that is blue. Bottom of the right. Which one's the bottom right? Ooh, you got 3 circles to look at. Ooh, tricky. Bottom of the right. Which one's on the right? Jordan. She is saying over here, let me see. Tamia, that was so smart. Tamia went, this is my left hand. This is my right. This is the right. Bottom of the right is blue. Take your blue. This bottom part of this circle is blue. Bottom of the right is blue. If your pencil's not sharpened, please just use a crayon instead. That way we don't have to sharpen it right now. Awesome. Prince has it done. His pencil's parked, hands are folded. Thanks, my love. Honey, use your crayon then if it's not sharpened. Oh, listen carefully. Color the top of the middle circle yellow. Oh, where's the top middle? Jair, where's the top middle? Yes, he's pointing to this one. This circle's in the middle. This is the top. Please color that yellow. Top middle is yellow. Nice job, you guys. Understanding these position words, that's tricky. You guys are doing great. Love your folded hands, babe. All right. Then it says color the top of the left circle red. Which one's on the left? Raise your hand. Which one's on the left? Kylan. Which circle's on the left, sweetie? Which one of these is on the left? This one. Top of the left is red. This is my left hand. This is the left circle. Top left is red. I love the neat coloring I'm seeing here at school. Good work. My sweets, you don't need your colors anymore. You can put them away. Oh, this is so nice. We don't have to number our clock. They numbered it for us already. I'm going to put this up so the kids at school can see, boys and girls at home. All right. All it says is we need to show 4 o'clock on both clocks. How am I going to show 4 o'clock? Let's do digital first. How do I write 4 o'clock? Who have I not heard from? Caleb, how do I write 4 o'clock? What do I write? He says a 4 and a 0 and a 0, and he is right. Four o'clock. How do I show 4 o'clock? Where do the hands go? So draw your hands on your clock, sweetheart. Big hand to the 12 and little hand to the 4. I need a friend to measure this line with pennies. Not all of you brought your pennies to school, so I can't have you all do it. I need a friend. You did. I need a friend to measure that line with pennies. Could you do it for us? You're going to start at one dot and go to the other. All right, Nazir is going to measure them. Put them on the line, sweetheart. All right, he said 1 penny. Yep. You have more in your hand, sweetheart. 2. Yep. 3. Yep. And
4.
only 4. Good job, my love. 5K. Say 4 pennies.
4 pennies.
All right, you need to write number 4 right here. Boys and girls, say thanks, Nazir. You did great. Here, sweetheart, can you put those in here for me? Thank you, Mrs. Black.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. All right, hey, we just have our receipt and then we're done. Say easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, it says Warren's receipt at the classroom store looked like this. He bought soap for 40 cents and he bought tuna for 24 cents. Okay, maybe he's going to take a bath after he eats his tuna. I don't know. But what side do we add first? Dimes or pennies? Prince. Not the dimes. Pennies. Paper, pennies. We always count the dimes first when we're showing money for math meeting, when we're counting it. But when we're adding on the paper, pennies. So what is 0 plus 4? When I add up and down, what can I do? Prince, what do you know I can do? Cross off the 0. And it stays at 4. You got it, sweetheart. Good job, Caleb. All right, now I need someone to add my dimes for me. 4 and 2 more. Zaya, what's 4? And I add 2 more. You can hop on your name tag if you need to. 4 and hop 2 more. Yep, good girl, hop 2 more. 1, 2. What is it? 6. You got it, sweetheart. Good girl. How much money did he pay for the soap and the tuna, Jair? 64 cents. Good job, sweetheart. My loves, you need to write that on this line. 64 and your cent sign. Make sure that your C goes the right way. Some of you make it backwards. You guys did great. We finished. I marked all of you present for school. Thanks so much. I'll see you tomorrow, my loves. Bye. All right, my sweets, time to go to the gym.